GoDaddy VPS hosting honest review, watch before using. If you're considering GoDaddy's VPS hosting, here's what you need to know before making a decision. GoDaddy's VPS, or Virtual Private Server Hosting, offers more power and flexibility compared to shared hosting, giving you dedicated resources without the high cost of a dedicated server. With 4 main plans to choose from, ranging from 1 to 8 CPU cores and RAM options from 2 GB to 16 GB, it's designed for businesses or developers who need more control over their hosting environment. You get full root access, which means you can customize the server to your specific needs, perfect for running custom applications or handling high-traffic websites. But let's be honest, it's not all perfect. One of GoDaddy's biggest selling points is ease of use. Their interface is beginner-friendly, and they offer one-click app installs for things like WordPress, cPanel, and more. Plus, their customer support is available 24/7. However, the quality of that support is a mixed bag. While they're quick to respond, the expertise level can vary. Sometimes you'll get someone highly knowledgeable, other times, not so much. Now, let's talk about performance. GoDaddy's VPS servers run on SSD storage, which is faster than traditional HDDs, improving your site's speed. They also offer unmetered bandwidth, meaning there are no strict limits on traffic. But in real-world use, some users report inconsistent uptime and slower than expected loading speeds, especially during peak traffic hours. If reliability is your top priority, you may want to explore other VPS providers like DigitalOcean or Linode, which tend to outperform GoDaddy in this area. Another thing to keep in mind is pricing. GoDaddy's VPS plans are affordable for the first term, but renewal prices can jump significantly. Additionally, features like backups, SSL certificates, and premium support aren't included in the base price. You'll need to pay extra for those. This makes GoDaddy's VPS hosting less appealing for budget-conscious users who expect more included features upfront. Who is GoDaddy VPS best for? If you're a small to medium-sized business owner, developer, or agency needing a user-friendly platform with decent performance and customization options, it can work well. However, if uptime reliability, consistent performance, or advanced support is critical for your project, you may find better value with other providers. In conclusion, GoDaddy's VPS hosting is a solid choice for users looking for a balance of ease of use and flexibility. But be prepared for potential renewal cost hikes, mixed support quality, and possible performance fluctuations. If you're okay with those trade-offs, GoDaddy could be a fit. But if you want top-tier performance and reliability, it's worth exploring alternatives before you commit.